All right, friends, how are you today? Aaron Michael Eschenberg here, bringing you some honest astrology for June 27th. It's Thursday all day. We've got the moon moved into Taurus, making a conjunction to Uranus, all right? What we need is an emotional new breakthrough, breaking of our traditions, and those two are both going to be creating a square over to Mars at 27 degrees of Cancer, and to Mercury, which just moved into 0 degrees, like yesterday, today, into Leo. Okay, so that Mercury energy is like mentally, I have the fire to keep it going. I have the fire to keep it going. The Mars energy is saying, I'm going to do it, but I'm going to maneuver in a different way. All right, now these are creating a tension with the squares. This is balance. So this breakthrough comes with the balance of Mars and the balance of the Mercury energy. So this is a positive thing. All right, so the way I look at this is it's more grounded, to where if they didn't have those to stabilize, I'll show you the chart, these are kind of stabilizing, okay? Otherwise, could be irrational. Although the moon is exalted in Taurus because it's the most stable sign, when it's meeting up with Uranus, this is like kind of breakthrough, big changes. Speaking of big changes, this is my last day in the studio today. I'm actually moving out of here, so tomorrow will be a whole new day in a different studio. But back to the chart. So, all right, so this big change is going on, but this is stable energy. These are working together, all right? And what are they pointing to? Up here is the faith. This is the big move. This is, the higher education, the philosophy, the knowledge and the information that's out there. Something out there. And then of course we have 18 degrees, the north node, creating this quincunx as well. This connection is one faith and intuition, faith and intuition, that we're making the right decisions, and again that we have the mental stamina to make it through it, and it's the right emotional breakthrough that we need. Okay, this is a big balancing day. And then as well, we still have this T-square going on with Venus, Jupiter, and Neptune, about our own expansion of our own wants and desires. Okay, not being distracted by everything, but being very focused. Like for example, on this one, let me come back to the picture here. So it's just like, okay, moving, there's like things that I'm not going to want here that I have in my current house to bring into the new house. It's just like, this is a great time to like kind of sift through or decipher like what's not necessary, what's not needed, and focus on the bigger picture, right? Because that's the other aspect that's going on here, is again that Jupiter bigger picture, this opposition, 22 degrees here, 17 degrees. This is still an opposition between Venus and Jupiter. Okay, so everything's still pointing up to this higher road, faith, and expansion. And then further, this quincunx, this 5/12 aspect of Pluto is a huge transformation today. Venus to Pluto. This is a big transforming in what we used to want, love, and desire. So it's like, oh my God, I'm going through the cupboards. Like, do I really need this? No. Do I need to bring this with me? Do I need to bring the cobwebs? Do I need to bring the cobwebs of my old self into the new life that I'm making? There it is. That's this. Bringing back to the astrology and the bigger picture, those bigger outer planets, the sextile between Saturn, the sextile between Saturn and Neptune. We're recreating ourselves, and we're learning new limits. We're learning. We're raising the bar, our own personal bar, and it's this mega transformational breakthrough kind of a day. It's a big move. Moving into the weekend, we're going to have a lot of stamina, a lot of fire energy. That's going to keep us going through the weekend. So happy Thursday, everybody. We'll see you in a new space tomorrow.